All right, today I'm going to show you how to make Codeium work in your app script projects to help you use AI to code a lot faster. So all we got to do is open up the Chrome Web Store, and then we're going to search for Codeium, and then the top result, the AI code completion. We're going to add this to Chrome. Perfect. All right, so we're going to close this out now. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this to my, I don't know what they call this section, but we'll just pin it there. All right, so this is the part we need to make sure we do. So on this options, we need to go here and add our script.google. And so I'm going to leave this in the comments because this is some regex here. So I'll leave this in the comments. Once you get this pasted at the very end, make sure it's on its own line. Click Save Allow List right there and open the Codeium. Let's go ahead and make sure we sign up with Google and give it access here. Perfect. We're going to refresh our app script, and then we should be all good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just start working on a method. And sure enough, there we go. There's an autocomplete. And this is pretty cool. It starts kind of automatically and just and so this autocomplete is pretty cool. If you want to accept their suggestion, just hit tab on your keyboard. Or if you don't want to use it, just keep typing. So for example here, if I want to do sheet, and then it's going to keep modifying as you type. And so sometimes it's not going to be spot on, but sometimes, especially if you're doing repetitive or a simple task, it can kind of grab everything you need to do, and it allows you to program much quicker, just like that. So obviously this is just doing the same thing here, but the more you code, it reads your past code and then gives you better and better suggestions on what you should do next. All right, so that's it for today. I hope that helps you to be able to incorporate Codeium into your app script and help you speed up your scripting projects. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more on AppScript and Google Sheets. Thanks, guys.